Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to show you how to create movie poster flyer on Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's get in started. So let's give our project a name, and I'm going to name it movie poster. Alright, so we follow these settings, then when you are done you click create. Alright, so what I will be doing next is to go to our gallery, then I'm going to drag in this in. I'll drag it in and I'm going to scale it up, scale it very well. Alright, then I'll click create. I'll go to alignment tools, then I'll centralize it. Alright, Ctrl H, fine. Exactly. I want to ensure that everything is aligned to the middle, which is correct. Everything is properly aligned to the middle. So for this one, I will click on it, right click on it, then I will go to crystallize layer, then click on it, fine. Then go to this rectangular marquee tools. After clicking on it, then I'm going to select, sorry about that. I'm going to select this part, then I will right click on this, and I will click on fill. Make sure that it is on content aware. Then everything, you follow this settings, then you click OK. Make sure that it is on content aware, then click OK. So fill up that part. Wait for it to load. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe, like my video, and drop your comments, drop your feelings, drop what you feel about this content at the comment section. Thank you. So when that is achieved, Ctrl D to deselect, and we go back to our gallery again, and we drag this guy in, this young guy, drag it in, click mark, then I will go to select subject. Alright, then we click on mask, fine. Then I'm going to scale it, okay, awesome. So I will click on brush. Now go to brush and pick your brush tool, or click on B on our keyboard, then follow the settings, then make sure your foreground color is on black. Click on this side, then we erase this part. Make sure you are using soft brush. Exactly. Awesome. I'm still going to erase this part very well. Awesome. Alright, and that's all for this one. Go back to our gallery again, and we are dragging this lady. Drag it in, drop it here. Mark again, then click on select, click on subject, Then click on mask. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We are going to scale this one up very well. Scale it, scale it. Nice. And drag it to this side. Awesome, awesome. And when we achieve that, we'll go to adjustment layer. Then I will click on brightness. Click on brightness and contrast. Then I'm going to increase the brightness a little and contrast a little. Awesome, awesome. Fine. Hue and saturation. And I'm going to increase the saturation, turn it to this side. Just too much. I think it's better like this. And this need a touch of no. Then this one should be 0. Yeah, I'm good to go. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Before we proceed, let's create photo filter, and we are going to give it. I have a color here. Use the color code. Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl V to paste, then we enter. Nice, nice, nice. You can see our design is coming to life. It's coming to life. And adjustment layer again, and we are going to select color look. Then make sure you select this in particular, Kodak 5218, Kodak 2383. Select that one, and awesome, 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 awesome. So what we'll be doing next is to start writing our text on our keyboard. I'll start from here, give them a name, introduce the letter. This is the font we are going to use, Quicksand. And we are going to change this to bold. Then we are going to reduce the size to 24. Let's see if it will work. 24 is too much. Then 16. I think this will be better. Select all. Then change the color code to FFFFFF. Nice. Okay. V. I'm going to drag it to this side. I'm going to drag it to this side. Let me shift this guy, both of them. And shift it down to create a breathing space for the text. Yep. Awesome, awesome. And let's copy this text again. Ctrl J to copy, to duplicate, and select the coming soon. Coming soon, June. 24th. This one is bold. I'll change this one to regular. Go to character, property, change to regular. Now select all. I'm going to increase the size to 30. 30 is too much. Then let's see and see. Let me leave it for now. There's reason for me to increase it. I'll increase it. Go to our alignment and I will align it to the middle. Awesome. I will click on C on our keyboard and we are going to type this sand. Control A. The soil. Control A. Then change the property to regular. I'm going to go to property. Let me drag this one out. Come out first. So the line spacing, let me give it 20 to 25 rather. I'm going to increase the size to 14. Alright. I click OK. V and drag it to this side. Let it be here. Awesome. So let's click OK and drag this one. Let's copy this. Ctrl J to duplicate. And I'm going to drag it to the top here. I'm going to write the adventure. The adventure. I will tap on it. I'm going to give it this color. 34. Black color. But it's not totally black. And I'm going to increase the line spacing, the spacing, the word spacing. Let me increase it by 10. 10 is too small. Increase it by 25 as well. Okay. Now I'm going to drag it to this side. Let it be here. Centralize it. Centralize it. Awesome. Let's make sure that this one is also centralized to the middle. Alright, awesome. So let me drag this one back and go to our layer for this. So right click on this, then go to blending option. Go to gradient overlay. And we are going to go by these settings. And for this is the color code 745443. 745443. And the same color for the one at the middle. This is the color code As you can see, CEB896. CEB896, and that is the color code for the one at the middle. And for the one at this last page, the last point, for the one at the last point is the same color with the first one, so I duplicated that one here. And you go by that settings. When you are done, you click OK. Let me click OK, and it's reflected here. I can as well give it a shadow for it to show up very well. That one is not necessary, but I just feel like giving it a shadow, a drop shadow, but it won't show very well. I won't make it show very well. So go to shadow, click on it. If you like, you can follow the settings. So that's why I reduce the opacity to 31. Click OK when I'm done. And as you can see, we are good to go. We are almost done. Let me increase this a bit. So we are done. We are almost done. So what I'll be doing next is to click on this part, this guy, be on our keyboard. I'm going to erase this part for the text to show up very well. Erase the part, then click on this lady as well. Erase this part. Awesome. Erase this part. Awesome. Alright guys, and that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section and let me know how you feel about today's tutorial. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. If you want to support me, check on my affiliate link to support my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.